Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ketki. I share some fun art content here, and today I'm going to talk a little about decoupage art. Decoupage in French means cutting out. It is the art of cutting and pasting cutouts to stimulate painting on wood, metal or glass surface. There are many variations in the technique, but the four basic steps of decoupage generally include cutting out the pictures, arranging them to depict a scene or tell a story or to make a specific design, and then pasting them on the surface and applying several thin coats of varnish solution to the pictures. So like every year for Diwali I like doing diya painting. It's kind of my Diwali thing. So this year I thought of trying decoupage art on diyas instead of traditional diya painting. So these are some of my decoupage diya, you can say. I hope this is in focus. So yeah. And then this. So without wasting any time, let's get into today's video. If you want to know more about decoupage art, I have listed down some art blogs that will give you more information about the same, and I have also listed down the materials you will need for decoupage art. So if you're interested, you can check out the description box. So let's get started. First, cut out a circle from the decoupage paper. Make sure it's comparatively bigger than the diya. Then paint the diya with white color and keep it for drying. You can also use metallic colors, but here I am just using a plain white acrylic paint. Once the diya is completely dried, apply a layer of Mod Podge solution. Mod Podge solution is nothing but a coating solution which becomes completely transparent once it is dried, giving you a glossy finish at the end. It's a glue solution specially made for decoupage art. After application of the Mod Podge solution, take the decoupage paper and slowly start pressing it on the surface of the diya. Make sure all the air bubbles are gone and be gentle while pressing it as the paper is very delicate. After the paper is properly settled on the surface of the diya, cut out excess of paper and then apply another layer of Mod Podge solution, and once that layer is dried, apply at least 2 to 3 layers of Mod Podge solution and keep the diya for drying. You can use this technique on different plates, jars, etc. to give an artistic touch of yourself, and you really don't have to be skilled at this. You just need a decoupage paper and a Mod Podge solution and you're done. The only difference while trying on a transparent surface is that you have to apply the decoupage paper upside down. That is, the printed part should be on the surface where you have applied the Mod Podge solution. I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and comment. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. You can also follow me on Instagram. I share some fun art content there. And stay tuned for my next videos. Thanks for watching. See you in my next videos.